I recently went to a birthday party, and it's actually for my grandson, and his wife's grandmother made the salad, and it's really good. It's a fruit salad, well, with Cool Whip and yogurt and white chocolate Jello instant pudding mix. And I'm just calling it whipped berry salad. And so you take this one large carton, 32 ounces of vanilla or a fruit flavored yogurt, one of these large 16-ounce Cool Whip, and 2 packages of the pudding mix. I'm going to do a smaller batch, so I'm doing half. We've been taste testing a lot today, so I'm just going to estimate half of the yogurt. She made a big batch, so I'm thinking she did at least 2 times.
Oh, a double of the big batch.
That's probably a little more than half. Okay, and then half of this. I might get a knife.
Oh, and divide it.
And divide it in half.
Good idea. Oh, look at that.
Okay, just like this out here.
Look at that. Exactly half.
Well, no, maybe
Show
not
that to the camera
exactly.
when you get it out of
Yeah.
there.
So there's the half. I'll do it this way so the half doesn't fall down. And then
Well,
it would be the 2 boxes, but I'm doing 1. If it took 1 box, I'd probably just do the whole recipe because it's hard to divide this in half.
or you could weigh it.
Yeah, you could do it.
Thank goodness we're all getting used to scales.
Yeah.
That is such a handy
Oh,
thing
yes.
But this isn't that kind of recipe, I don't think.
that you'd be that precise.
So you
Me
just
too.
mix the 2 together,
Gotta be
the
good.
3 together.
Mm-hmm.
You just mix the 3 together.
Are you trying to fold it?
Yeah,
Fold it.
I wouldn't think this is something you want to put in your, use a
A
mixer
mixer,
for,
yeah.
because you want the whipped cream to stay whipped. So, just kind of fold it in there.
Here, let's.
Oh, good idea. Here's this. It was my grandson's birthday, and so he asked his wife's grandmother to make this, and I saw him eat 3 bowls. He got a little bowl. There wasn't enough room on his plate, so we got at least. I saw him eating 3 bowls.
bowls.
Whether that's all he ate or not, I don't know.
Well, it was his birthday, yeah. So it's that good.
Yeah, it is good. And she had a bowl that big full, because she probably knew she knew. Okay, I think it's probably done. And then you just add berries according to which how much berries you like in it. I guess you can use other fruit. She said don't put the berries in until about a half hour before you eat it, because it's best if they're not thawed out.
Oh,
Because then it gets mixed in. I kind of didn't like it as, now this is 2 cups. I divided it this way just so I'd see. I think that's plenty.
yes, I do too.
Yeah, in fact, you could get away with, I think you want, this is about right. So in the full batch, that would be 4 cups then. I had kind of wished I had taken the berries out sooner, because they've been sitting out for about a half hour, but in this, maybe not quite a half hour. But I have them sitting together in the bag, so
Kept
I
each
think
other
it would.
cold.
But I see her point. It makes it mostly white when it's frozen, and then let it
Yes.
kind of soften in there, and it makes a very lovely.
Very,
Yeah.
also for presentation,
Yeah.
she feels like it's
Which
better.
she likes them a little frozen.
Yeah.
too.
But it wouldn't be bad if it was all pink.
So
either.
No,
this is
she said
to your taste.
Yeah, you can use vanilla or like strawberry
Oh,
or
I see.
of the yogurt.
Oh, the yogurt.
Yeah, so
okay.
I did white because hers obviously was white. But and you can use any kind of
So
fruit.
vanilla,
Yeah.
yeah.
So there you go. Very easy, fast salad for you. I said, this is my kind of salad, not that green stuff.
No lettuce.
So do you want to taste it now?
Yes.
Just get
3 spoons.
3 spoons.
Mhm. Got a very
Yeah. Be careful because they're not.
ready. I think that white chocolate flavor in the pudding really adds
It does. A
a
lot.
richness.
It makes it so it doesn't taste just only like whipped cream.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. When the yogurt kind of lessens the.
A good balance.
Yeah, it's a good balance to have. And it's easy. I mean, if you don't half it, you just do the whole containers and it'll be actually a big salad. This is actually plenty for 6 people or something like that.
Yeah. Unless one of them is your grandson.
Yeah, that's what we're finding.
Which grandson is it?
Taylor. Anyway, well, thank you for joining us.